Good evening, level 1 students.
Good evening, Teacher Sol.
So today I will distribute your new notebook. Please handle it with care. Okay? Dili drawingan. Dili swat-swatan o bisag unsa. Gawa sa ato ang leksyon. Ha, okay? Dili mapareha sa unang notebook ninyo nga mura nag-ilaw, ha? Okay? Frank. Face. Ezekiel. Namari. Patrick. And Shan. Gikan na sa Mactan Korea Channel. Go.
Mactan Korea Channel, kamsahamnida.
Bingin na ha. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo, level 2 and level 3 students. Okay, so I will distribute your new notebook. Please handle it with care and dili drawingan ha. Dili swat-swatan og bisag unsa. Okay? Ug unsa ray ato ang lessons diri mao ray inyo ang itang suwat. Tristan, Troy, si Ralph, Daisy, and Nicole. Gikan na sa Mactan Korea Channel.
Mactan Korea Channel, kamsahamnida.
Handle it with care ha. Ha? Dapat guwapa yung notebook. Dili kuan. Ni ako unsay ato ang di ba? Isa first page. Kung taas ang atong i-copy, kung isa lang ka halimbawa Monday dinhi, then taas inyo hang ato ang i-copy or kay dagko inyo hang agi, so napuno na ang first page. Ato mo sa likod. Isa ka adlaw, isa ka kuan. Unsay ko say pizza ba? Isa ra ka kuan. Then kung napuno na kung kani pagkaugma kani wala pa na puno pero usa ra siya ka pizza. Nagkaugma na po diri na pud mo sa lahi nga kuan page. Ha? Ang pingin ninyo ni ha, dili na mapareha to sa una nga murag ilo. Mo tong nag-ilista og bagong notebook kay murag ilo inyo hang notebook. Ha?
Applicate, abrasive, abruptly, acknowledge, acquire, adjudicate, admonish, affiliation, agitate, allocate, alternative, bewilder, bias, boycott, characterize, chronological, compel, competent, component, conclusive, concure, condemn, demeanor, derogatory, devastate, diffuse, deplore, diversity, eligible, emphasize, exonerated, famished, readable, impartial, indifferent, industrious, inevitable, infuriate, inhabitant, initiate, eliminate, legendary.
Okay. Short is adjectives, shorter is comparative, and shortest is superlative. Another example, Burj Khalifa is the blank tall building in the world. So, kung sa may gamito na ito, ang comparative o ang superlative? Superlative. Kaya nga nung superlative man? Building in the world. So, adjective is tall. Comparative is taller. Superlative ay tallest. So, if we say comparative, add ER. If I say superlative, add EST. Another example, Our school field is large than the one in Sunny Hill Elementary School. So the adjective is large. The comparative is larger. And the superlative, largest. Very good. Then next, this box is the heavy of all. We need 2 people to carry it. So, for the word heavy, comparative of heavy, yung saman?
Heavy.
Ha?
Heavy.
Tatla ko ng white, sir.
Tatla ko ng white.
Ha? Tatla ko ng white. Then,
I-E-R.
yes, at I-E-R or E-R, heavier. And superlative is heavy, heaviest. No? So, heaviest. Next, Stephen is clever than his brother Joshua. So, nanilahin ni. Stephen is clever than his brother Joshua. So, comparison of adjectives ni siya. Ha, dili ra ni siya adjective, dili ra ni siya kuan. Adjective. So, comparison adjectives. Unsa lang to? Kung isisgot ako gani ha? Adjective is clever. Ang comparative, comparison of adjectives. Unsa man? More or most? More. Clever. Then, the superlative of comparison adjectives? Most. Clever. Okay. Og mo ingon ko comparison adjectives. So, magamit ta og more or most. We add ER and EST. Depending the word. Then next, last example. A dictionary is.
Ayan yung haseyo. So, these are my level 3 students. This is what we will do after our class. How to brush their teeth properly. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you may start now. Okay. Up and down. Up. Up, down, then your tongue. Your tongue. Okay. Okay. That's all and kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Hasayo students. So, anyong hasayo to all these subscribers and to all these spawners. And these are my level 2 students. This is what we will do after our class. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, start. Start na. So, kaibaw na mo no, unsay proper way to how to toothbrush. Okay, up and down, up and down like this. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Then your tongue. Your tongue. Na. Si Tarunga. Okay, that's all. Kamsahamnida.
안녕하세요. So today we will be having an dental hygiene, which is toothbrush. Okay. So nanay mga toothpaste inyong toothbrush. Okay, start. Say first. Yan na inyong toothbrush ang inyong ngipon. Ge. Jessica. Gigi yan.
Ano mo?
Anak. Nya anak diri.
Hanga ba anak lagi?
Na anak diri skilid. Sa isig kilid ninyo diri. Ge. Anak. Anak. Onya aris kilid. Sige lang. Anak. Pikas kilid. Anak diri. Oh. Ubos, babaw. Gi.
Ano kay? Istidira.
Ada. Sa ilaw na. Okay. Tubig. Water. Okay, pag water na mo, kung okay na mo, pwede na mo mag-water. Okay, Eunice, done. Jessica, tubang. Bye-bye, Jessica, Eliza.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Teacher Nisan.
Alright, so we're done with our class. So, let's have our toothbrush. Sige na, you may now start. Pwede mo malingkod. Di ba pwede mo malingkod para di mo maglisod? Sit down. Toothbrush every day, tooth decay away. Alright, ka school ninyo, dili na mo manutbrush, di ba? Largo na mo. Maligo na lang mo, di na mo toothbrush. And, panutbrush mo 3 times a day, ha? Or dili mo madot yung ngipon. Hinayon ninyo, ayun yung gabihag kuhan kay mga guba yung ngipon na. Slow lang, slow down. If man na, pwede na mamugmog. Yeah, clean your toothbrush. Clean your toothbrush, clean your face. Ambe ay rabi. Kana. Bakit dili mo toothbrush? Kaya ko kay mong gida nga sudlanan. Di ka kadaog.
You say done? Who's done? Oh, yung mga. Everyone's done? Let me see your teeth. Asa daw? Naligo naman mo. Asa yung mga teeth? Oh, sige, go. You may now go.